Okay, friends, so I am about to send some Easter cards out. My mom did this beautiful watercolor, and I made cards out of it. One for each child that I have, my son and my daughter. And I wanted to make interesting envelopes instead of just boring ones. I want to show you what pattern I used to make the envelopes. So this is, when it's finished, 5 by 7. I will put the pattern on my blog so that you can print it out and use it yourself. So what you want to do is just, this is one of those books that has all the different sheets of paper that you can use, buy at Michael's or whatever store you want to. And I'm just going to try to use as much, not waste as much paper as I can. So sometimes I'll make bookmarks out of the rest of it. Excuse me, my voice is kind of groggy this morning. I used a colored pencil because I just think it looks better. Just go all the way around. Ta-da! And then cut it out, of course. Where's my scissors? Oh, scissors! Where did you go? You're always floating about. Okay. What I do is just go straight. This is a little corner that they cut off. It's kind of like a giant diamond. And then I'll come back and do the notches. Imagine you can enlarge or decrease the envelope, if you want to make it larger or smaller. The notches you want to get pretty spot on because it's the corner where you're folding it, so you need it to be relatively accurate. Not too hard. It's really this point that's most important. And this aside. So then when you're folding it, this one is the bottom. You want to line up this corner with that corner, and or the edge, I mean, with the corner. Same with this. And like so. Just do the best you can. And then I just use my Elmer's glue stick. If you have something similar, that works. Or the regular Elmer's glue. Very minimal though. I'm just going to put it right on the edge. You don't want to put it so it sticks in here. You gotta get it right on the edge. It's not too hard to figure out. Alright, so there's that. And then when I go to mail it, I'll probably put a sticker here just to make sure it doesn't, you know, come out. It's kind of nice to make your own envelopes. I mean, wouldn't you like to get this in the mail? Pretty card, pretty envelope. Gotta write it in first. There we go. Thought you'd like to see that. Thanks for watching.
Coming soon, this lovely beach scene. I'm hoping that you all want to see it being painted. And for those painters that enjoy learning about oil painting, great. Subscribe so you can be informed when it airs. Thank you for liking this. Don't hesitate to leave a comment.